You know the best way to prolong the life of your skin-on-frame kayak? Hi, I'm Clint Serber with Sakara Kayaks. I'm going to show you a cheap and effective way to make keel strips for your skin-on-frame kayak. Armor that offers maximum protection along the keel at the bow and the stern. Alright, here we are at the local Goodwill to see if we can find some material to make some keel strips. Alright, this is perfect. This is exactly what we're looking for. You can see right here. An old HDPE plastic cutting board. If you can see that, $4. $4. Have some awesome keel strips. So the first thing I want to do when making our keel strips is to cut a 45-degree angle along the top edge of the cutting board. And a 45-degree on the back edge. Okay, now we know the width of our keel is 3/8 of an inch, so we're going to go ahead and mark 3/8. Mark 3/8. Mark 3/8. Framing square. There's the width of our keel strip. So now I'm going to hop over to the router. Using a 1/4-inch round over bit, I'm going to round over the top edge, the edge here, just round it over. Now I'm going to cut the strip off of the board. Now we have the beginning stages of our keel strip. Now we'll round over the other corner of the strip with the 1/4 inch round over bit. And there you have it. Keel strip number 1. Now we're going to measure out every 3 inches, mark every 3 inches where our screw holes are going to go. From that point, we'll take an 1/8 inch drill bit. We're going to drill a hole on our mark at the center. And using a 1/4 inch countersink bit, I'm going to countersink these holes so that the screw heads fit flush. So as you can see, now that we're countersinked, that stainless screw sits flush. Now it's ready to be installed onto your kayak. Keel strips can be cut from all different types of HDPE cutting boards, different colors, different thicknesses. If along the keel of your kayak you have this rolled over seam, you can always use a 3/16 round nose radius bit for your router to cut a groove on the back side of your keel strip so it'll sit flush over your seam.